Really?
Oh, what is?
For real? You are so close to rolling off the edge of the table, Bunny. Like, seriously. Olive. That's a bangle.
Which one do you want? Oh, which one do you want? Duke! Dukey! You want that one? Come on, let's go get a treat.
Okay, I actually can't make this up. I wake up this morning to the whole bathroom flooded, and I was like, what the heck did I leave on? The cat had managed to turn on the bidet at whatever time this morning or last night. Guys, oh my gosh, it's like everywhere. No, you're kidding me. The kitchen is also flooded.